Well, look who decided to show up to my channel. Alright, well this video we're going to be unboxing and assembling the TROXUS Explorer. It's going to be the blue. This is how it's going to look. There you go. If you need to look at those stats again, just pause the video and let's get this box ripped open. Alright, box ripped open. This is how everything is packaged. Take this foam. Now that is a very bright, what is it, royal blue? Alright, well let's take it out of the box. Alright, clip the tire out. Notice an empty box attached to the tire and fender. Usually when there's a serial number like that, it's a charger. Or is it an instruction manual? Looks like there might be an instruction manual back there. Here's the charger wire. It looks like it didn't come with a charger. Oh, never mind. Got the charger right here. Alright, we got that stuff done. Once we get it out of the box, we'll charge it up. Alright, that's it out of the box. Now let's get everything clipped and thrown out. Alright, there we have it. Look at the Explorer. Nice little blue color. It's brand labeled everywhere, even on the seat, frame. I'd like to see what this is. Are they going to give turning signals? Not sure. It's just going to be brake lights. It's on both sides. Let's find out together. You might already know the answer, but let's do it together. I'm gonna start with step one, clipping the keys out, popping the key in here, unlocking, and then looks like the little knob is right down there. And then I'm gonna start charging this bike, also making it a little lighter so it's less chance of tipping over. Kind of hate when bikes almost tip over and I gotta catch it when I'm in the middle of doing something, so let's make it a little bit lighter. Alright, battery charging. Time to see what's in this little accessory box. Give it a little cut. Alright. Looks like a little multi-tool, reflector, bike grease, wrench. That's going to be for the pedals, and back reflector. And then the instruction manual. Pretty simple. Headlight is already on the bike. It's underneath the display. So then we're just going to need to put that on, the pedals on, tire on, handlebars on. Let's get started. Alright, start by taking these screws out. And then we're going to pop the handlebars on. So we're going to take it out, pop the handlebars on. We're not going to tighten it all the way because we're going to need to adjust it when we get the tire on, the bike lifted because of the tire. And then we rotate the handlebars to our preference and then we tie it up. Alright, we're going to loosen this as much as we can. And then pull the pin on the brakes so that we can slide it on there. Alright. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy, squeeze, squeeze. All right, next, let's get the fender on. It's gonna get placed on that screw. Then we're gonna need to put air in the tires, pop the battery back in, and it should be good to go after we get the pedals on. All right, got fender on. Now let's put those pedals on. All right, got left, right. One's gonna go clockwise, one's gonna go counterclockwise. It is also pictured on the pedal, so you can't confuse it. Make sure you tie it nice and tight, because you don't want it slipping off. Alright, time to put the battery on while the bike's getting pumped with air. I'm gonna have to get on and adjust everything. Up here it's handlebars and then tie everything tight. Alright, tires inflated. Battery in. Handlebars adjusted. There you go, that's the screen. I'm gonna lean it and throttle it. Nice and smooth.